Mr. Kyagulanyi, Mr. Sewanya and the ilk, we shall meet in court. Probably they will help court and the families that are demanding for justice to go and tell court what they know. Because they seem to know a bit about what happened in Masaka. I think the best place for them to help the nation understand it better is court. So this is the man who's supposed to lead us into a new Uganda. So, in a very long time, now Idiose has a permanent address. I would like to sympathize with my brother, the Honorable Sewanyana. We witnessed what he went through yesterday. I assumed if Mr. Kyagulanyi had a gun, he would have shot Mr. Sewanyana, Honorable Sewanyana. Without an iota of power, if he can behave in that manner, assuming he has some power anywhere. And what you saw yesterday is exactly what MPs told me they went through when he was forcing them to sign documents. On gunpoint, almost. So, forcing the Honorable Sewanyana to say things he doesn't know, to insist on certain things, so that he can also extend his political shell life. Very pitiable. Honorable Sewanyana, we understand your predicament. We are not angry with you. We can understand. You're also fighting for your political life. But probably what you need to understand is that there's life after Parliament. Do not reduce yourself to a beggar. Don't reduce yourself to somebody without a brain. But I'm here to extend my sympathies to you as well for what you went through, humiliation, so that the dear leader can be happy for the afternoon. We understand your problems. Fourth, I want to sympathize with all change-seeking forces, all Ugandans of goodwill who desire to see Uganda change. That unfortunately for me and you, what you saw is what we have. So it's up to you to go and check ourselves, between me and you, to check ourselves, aware that that's what we have for a potential leader. We are fighting to overcome the autocracy of General Museveni, and then we have a joker in his replacement. That's what we have. So please go and look at all these possibilities. Probably when we next have opportunity to meet, we educate ourselves on what needs to be done to put the cause of change and better Uganda to a new direction. But unfortunately, between me and you, that's what we have. Fifth, I feel obligated to also sympathize with the rank and file in the opposition. Some prefer to call foot soldiers. That's what you have for a leader. He will sacrifice you so that he can extend his shelf life in politics. So at the time when one of you, in the name of Edimutwe, is arrested and detained illegally, and his arresters confess, so your leader is diverting us. Instead of pinning the people who have been arresting our people and detaining them illegally and constitutionally, so you have somebody who's supposed to lead the charge for freedom, diverting the cause of freedom. I want to assure you, please, now understand that you will be sacrificed by this same person, by this same joker, pretending to be your leader. So to you, foot soldiers, that's what you have for a leader. I hope you understand where you are. So cut your losses soon. That's what you have.